So within this palette, we already covered gradient, as well as there's this other thing called transparency. So gradient and transparency kind of feels like the same thing. If we drew a rectangle and set this thing to a fill color of something, if we use the transparency, you could take this fill and change the opacity of this thing. So if I say 50%, right? If I say 50%, it is 50% opacity. So you could start to overlay stuff and you could see through these objects. Okay. Sometimes we'll do this where we select the object, we don't want to show the line, so we put the line or the stroke as none. Whoops. And just use the fill to cover certain parts up. That way you could highlight certain parts of maybe the floor plan or something. You could make this into a little rounded corner thing so that it's not as harsh and it doesn't indicate the floor plan per se. Put this in right there, something like that. Okay. So with these basic tools in using the layers, using the stroke, gradient, and transparency, you should be able to make several highlights to your drawings. Alright, so basically this is going to be the go-to tools. I would like for you to save this file. So file, save, if you have not saved it as line work. So save, and then we'll open up a new folder or new document.